What does the all or none principle mean for skeletal muscle? Imagine flipping a light switch. It's either fully on or completely off. That's similar to how skeletal muscle fibers respond to signals. When a nerve sends a message, each muscle fiber decides whether to contract fully or not at all. This idea is called the all or none principle. It means that once a muscle fiber receives a stimulus strong enough to reach a certain level called the threshold, it will contract completely. If the stimulus is weaker than that, the fiber stays relaxed. This principle applies to each individual muscle fiber, not the entire muscle. Skeletal muscles are made of many fibers, each a single muscle cell stretching from one end of the muscle to the other. When a nerve impulse reaches a muscle fiber, it causes an electrical change called an action potential across the fiber's membrane, known as the sarcolemma. If this action potential hits the threshold, it triggers the fiber's contractile machinery, causing the fiber to shorten fully. But if the stimulus doesn't reach that threshold, nothing happens. The fiber simply stays relaxed. It's important to understand that you cannot partially contract a single muscle fiber. It either contracts completely or not at all. This is why during exercise, you can't target just half of a fiber to make it work. Instead, your brain controls how much force you need by activating more muscle fibers or more motor units. A motor unit is made up of one nerve cell and all the muscle fibers it controls. When the nerve fires, all fibers in that motor unit contract fully, following the all or none rule. The overall strength of a muscle's contraction depends on how many motor units are activated and how often they are stimulated. If more motor units are recruited, more fibers contract, producing a stronger force. If the nerve signals fire rapidly, it can cause a sustained contraction called a tenderness. This system allows muscles to produce precise movements and adjust forces needed. So, the all or none principle helps explain how muscles generate controlled movements. Each fiber responds fully or not at all to a stimulus, and the total force depends on how many fibers and motor units are engaged. This simple rule makes muscle contractions reliable and predictable, allowing us to perform everything from delicate tasks to heavy lifting with smooth control.